of you, we present to you the prize distribution of the extracurricular activities conducted in the year 2019-20. Yes, I do agree it's late, and my apologies for the same, but it took time putting it together, and I also believe that better late than never. I also take this opportunity to wish each one of you a Merry Christmas and a very bright, prosperous and a Happy New Year. May the New Year fill your homes with good cheer, love, happiness and good health. Thank you and see you all in the next year.
The Tirukkural recitation competition, Krishanya AL stands first. The winners of the Tirukkural recitation competition are Varnavi of 5B, Joshita B. Iyer of 4B, Neha Vikram of 7B, Santosh Kumar S of 7B, Asher Lirit M 7B, Hannah Christilda of 9A, Pavitra M 8B, Ashwin Karthik KA of 8B. For the English essay writing competition, the prize winners are Diya Vijay of 5A, Sarah Abigail of 4B. The winners of the English essay writing competition, Varalika of 5A, Sridevi Nair of 7B, Yagavi Satyamurthy of 7B, Jeshalyn Charles of 6A, Rehani Sushil of 7A, Anuka Satyu of 8A, Sana Nakbal of 9A, Sri Varsha of 8B, Yashvi Hiran Rathod of 11B, Janani Satyan of 10A, Jabisha Pearl of 12A. The winners of the Hindi essay writing competition are Dwani U. Jain of 4A, Harshita M. Jain of 4B, Nishi Jain of 4A. Next we have the Hindi essay writing competition. Yagavi Satyamurthy of 7B gets the first place. Tejal N of 6B, Ananya Nivishini of 6A, Manoharan S of 8A, Ritesh S of 8B, Lydia Jasinal Betty of 8A, Harshavardhan of 10B. Nandini R. Ranka of 10B. Ritesh Sekar of 10B. Next we have the winners of the Tamil essay writing competition. Krishanya L of 4A. The winners of the Tamil essay writing competition. Dwarakesh of 5A. Sendamil Selvan R of 4B. Priya Darshini R of 7B. Neha Vikram of 7B. Jeshlyn Charles of 6A. Srivatsav B of 8A. Janani R of 9B. Pavitra M of 8B. Astra Janet of 10B. Maha Varshi of 10B. The winners of the math trick competition are Atul Vijay Chandar of 5A. Kevin Frederick of 6A. Jayavarman of 5B. Santosh S of 7B. Vikram Krishna Kumar of 6A. Akhil Parivel of 6A. Satyarupan M of 9A. Siddharth Sushil of 9A. Pranav R of 9A. S. Bharat Raj of 12B. Rhea Roshan of 10A. Sachin Nachimuthu of 10B. The prize winners of Wealth Out of Waste are Hira Adlin Prabhu of 4A. Miraya Sandeep of 4A. Kristen Page McDonald of 4A. Rehani Sushil of 7A. Pranjal of 6B. Christina Nyanamal Stella of 7A. Nitin Krishna P of 8B. Ashwin Karthik K.A. of 8B. Pia Shah of 8B. Sabrina Gabriel Fernandez of 11B. For cartoon drawing, the winners are Sarah Abigail L of 4B, Premagan of 7B, Gurshan Singh of 7A, Sam Daniel of 7A, Sarah Pierce of 8B, Shabir M of 8A, Nishwant B of 8B, Jagan Muthuraman R of 10B. The winner of the sketching competition is Niveta Shri of 11A, Jinesh Sri Sabari of 10B, Shreya V. Kalava of 11A. The winners of the Art Attack competition are Alicia MS of 4A, Sunil SV of 4B, Nidarshana of 4A, Krishi Jain of 6B, Rehani Sushil of 7A, Kezia Chrislin of 6A, Jinesh Sri Sabari of 10B, Nakshatra S of 10B, Jagan Muthukumaran R of 10B. The winners of the recipe writing competition are Jayashri of 7A, Satvik S of 6B, Tanya K of 6B, Darshana M of 8A, Mahati K of 8A, Sachi Hiran Rathod of 8B, Carrie Victoria McDonald of 8B, Sri Kirtika G of 10B, Sophia Nivedani J of 10A, Rayan Alcia Thomas of 10A. The winners of the soap carving competition are Kezia Chrislin of 6A, Rehani Sushil of 7B, Danica Rachel Benjamin of 7B, Nithila T of 10A, Maha Varshini of 10B, Astra Jeanette Shreya of 10B. The winners of the doodling competition are Joshita B. Iyer of 4B, Surya SV of 4B, Sunil SV of 4B. Rehani Sushil of 7A. Danica Rachel Benjamin of 7B. Harshita N of 8A. Lakshaya S of 8A. Anushka Sarah Matthew of 8A. Leanne Pamela Mary Galway of 11B. Sharon Jessie S of 12A. Tweza Kishore of 12A. The winners of the origami competition are Suhani Mehta of 4A. Ethan Daniel Roy of 4A. Miraya Sandeep of 4A. The winners of the storytelling competition are Jerlyn Adelcia of 4B. Sahana S of 5B. Jeshulan Charles of 6A. Tejal N of 6B. Mahati K. Narayan. Lydia Jasinal Betty of 8A. The winners of the public speaking competition are Mahati K. Narayan of 8A. Yagavi Satyamurthy of 7B. Anushka Sarah Matthew of 8A. The winner of the creative dance is Pia Shah of 8B. Jeshulan Charles of 6A. Tashin Fatima A of 8B. Tanya Raquel Maudsley. Melusha Catherine Jacob. Punya Krishnan. Darshana M.K. of 8A. For the English essay writing competition, Jessia Thomas of 4B is the winner. The winners of the recitation competition are Sarah Abigail L. of 4B. Jerlyn Adlin of 4B. Dia Vijay of 5A. Dwarakesh A.K. of 5A. Grace Lisa Matthew of 5B. Neha Vikram of 7B. Krishi J. Jain of 6B. Mahati K. Narayan of 8A. Tashin Fatima A. of 8B.